Ay, mali. So guys, I'm cooking my mung beans with shrimps. Ilagay ko na ang aking mga gulay. My vegetables are all frozen. That's a frozen cabbage. Repolyo. And I will put my frozen okra. And then I will add up my frozen squash from my garden last summer. Ayan, atin lang i-mix meko. Atin lang i-mix para maluto. So, ayan, frozen. All are frozen organic vegetables. Ayan sila lahat, guys. Ayan. Yan ang aking lunch and dinner. Ayan siya, guys. So, atin ang takpan para maluto ng sabay-sabay. Thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas, everyone. Love, Nancy from Baker's family.